Hi everyone, Miss Henderson here. So I've been getting some questions regarding the problems involving fractions for BB9 today. So I wanted to just kind of do an example of one of these problems. So the thing is with these problems, you are going to be able to graph these. You just have to kind of do a little bit more with your table. So I'm going to set up my table. Okay, and I know I have x and I have y. So since my equation is y equals half of x, okay, I'm going to put 0 in. Well, I know that 1/2 times 0 is just 0. So my first point that I could plot on my graph is 0. Now I'm going to do, what about when x is 1? So I'm going to substitute in 1 for x. Well, 1/2 times 1 is 1/2. Now I understand that when you go to graph that, that's pretty hard because they, you can't really, you're kind of estimating where that point goes. So let's keep going. Let's make x 2, okay? So I'm going to replace and substitute in 2 for x. So if I think about this, I'm multiplying 2 times 1/2. I'm taking half of 2. Half of 2 is simply just 1. Now I have at least 2 points with whole number values. So when I go down to my graph, I can plot the point 0, 0, okay? And I can plot the point 2, 1. I'm going to start at my origin, go over to 2, up to 1. And that's enough for the line to be extended in this example, okay? As you get older and work your way up to more complex algebra, you guys will have more experience with graphing fractions. So right now my suggestion is if you get a fraction, just work with it until you get 2 points that have whole numbers.